Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're here to guide you to fix the Roblox error code 773. This error can pop up due to various reasons, including security issues and internet instability. But worry not, as we've got you covered. Stick around as we walk you through the step by step on how to resolve this error and get back to your Roblox adventures. Let's dive right in. So the first thing that you'll need to do is let's address connection request problems by setting up the Google DNS server. So you'll need to open the control panel, navigate to network and internet, then network and sharing center. Follow the steps mentioned in the video to define the DNS address. And to further troubleshoot, disable Internet Protocol version 6, access your network settings, disable IPv6, and save the changes. Now it's time to clear the DNS cache for smoother performance. So for this one, you'll need to run the command prompt as an administrator and then enter the provided commands from the article. So you'll just need to copy and enter. Then right after, you can restart your computer. Next is browser security settings can sometimes block access. So you can temporarily turn off browser security by accessing the settings menu, navigating to privacy and security, then security, choose no protection, and test if the errors still persist. Then, right after, if you downloaded Roblox from sources other than the Microsoft Store, it might be causing the issue. To solve this, download Roblox from the Microsoft Store, open it, search for Roblox, and click Get to download and install it. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix Roblox error code 773. So this step should help you resolve the issue and get back to enjoying your Roblox experience. And if you've liked this guide, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you encounter any difficulties or have any questions, feel free to leave any comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.